Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with actually a couple Dollar Tree hauls, but I'm just putting them all together. I got a lot of small ones. I bought this globe, my make your own globe. It doesn't have a big base, but what I was going to do is I was hoping to put my name in there, my channel name, and this faux snow. And then I also picked up some of the ornament filler, which is basically some chunky glitter. So those were 3 packs. And these came with the Snowflakes. So I got the iridescent and the silver, this is the gold, and then the bronze and silver. And again, you got the stars to go along with that. You can see it on the sheen. And of course your red and green. Right, so 3 packs. And that's a nice amount. People just sleep on their glitter. Way cheaper than Dollar Tree. Got these napkins. You know what for. I did get this tool. That was pretty. This is just some adhesive labels going back with some binders. Did get this sticker one about the home. I just wanted to do an ATC. I thought with one of these or an iCAD. I really got it because of iCAD, because one of the prompts that we got was home, and I went to the Dollar Tree, but I ended up doing a different one. But I just thought it was cute, so I definitely would do something with that. Did pick up these stickers. So this one, I think I got 2 of each, I think. I wasn't sure if I was going to see them again. Yeah, so there's 2 other butterflies. These are gold puffy stickers. This is 20 in it. And then the flowers, let's see. Oh. It's 20, oh, it's 20 each, so 20 of the flowers has the leaves. And even the word flowers in it. Hope you can see that. And then I have 2 of the nautical ones. These have 19 in it. And it says summertime on it. And then birthday, you have 19. I only got one birthday. No. I only got one birthday. Happy birthday. And this one is 20 pieces. And this one has, it says home. It's got a deer and a house on this one too, and a bicycle and a lot. So I thought they were nice, just little elements that you can add to anything. And then last but not least, I just got a couple books, just reference books to put up for $1. Even if you learn one technique out of it, great. So this one's called Woven to Wear, 17 Thoughtful Designs with Simple Shapes. And how to work with wool and stuff, and how to weave. Macrame. I used to do that back in the day, but you know, I haven't done it since I was probably 10. Just notice that's fine. Oh no, that's the picture of the wall. And this has jewelry and accessory, 35 knotted projects that you can make and give. So this one definitely does give you the knots and stuff. Just thought it was a nice reference book for $1. Don't know if I make them anytime soon or whatever, but you never know, because the projects always come and go, like they cross over. Because like how many times my paper crafting that I've made jewelry, and I used to make jewelry, bows. I used to make hair bows. I mean, like, so many things that have crossed over. You think you're not gonna do it again, and sewing and it comes back around. Beautifully bowed faux flowers. So I just like to have some of these. There's some flower arrangements and stuff in here too, because I'm always doing some kind of party. So I thought that'd be a nice one. So just got those added to my collection for $1. Wasn't gonna pass those up. And if it's dated, you can always take the techniques of it, you know. So that was the fun about these books. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.